Oh my God, did you guys hear that? Yes, got one. Oh, one's got it. I got one. Welcome back to the channel, you guys. Today, we were just gonna get out there and, try and catch some fish. Nice day out, got a little bit of wind, got some sunshine, but we're gonna look for those shaded pockets and throw under these bridges. So let's see if we can get a big one. Let's go. All right, I'm gonna start with this popper that I got at Bass Pro Shop. Thought it looked pretty good, so let's give that a try. Oh, I missed it. Missed it or he missed it. Either way, one of us missed it. Try closer to the wall. Yes, got one. We got one. Oh God, you guys see that? Oh no, he came off. Oh my God, that fish went airborne. That was sick. I didn't have a good hook set on him, I guess. Oh my God, that was awesome. Let's see if we can actually catch one. Trying more of a walking retrieve now. Oh, that walk's really nice. Yes! Oh, he missed. Oh, man. Okay, so they're digging the walking as well as the popping, so I guess we'll just mix it up. Oh, there's one. There's one. Little one. Little guy. Hey. Ooh, that's a smallmouth. Nice, we got a smallie. Smallie on top water. God, he is fired up. Oh, yes. Oh, no, he didn't get it. He took it down for a second. All right. Everybody's out fishing this morning. The spots are really limited. Lucky for me, no one's at this one yet, so hopefully I can catch a fish here. So I got this Walmart brand frog tied on. Seems to be working pretty well. It's like $2, so. Oh yes, oh no, he missed it. Dang, that was a good strike. Man, there's so much bluegill around here. There's got to be some big bass living in this area. Oh, something just hit me. A little bluegill, maybe. Yep. Oh, one's got it. I got one. Yes. Oh, look at the size of this freaking rock bass. Holy crap. What a freaking savage. He's got that frog all the way in his mouth. I don't even know if I can lip him. Look at this. Holy crap. That is awesome. What a savage rock bass. All right, let's let him go. I don't know how I'm gonna get this frog out of him. Holy crap. God, he's got it good. It's too big for his mouth. I don't know how I'm gonna get it out. Yes, we got our freaking frog back. What a little savage. took this freaking giant frog down. That was awesome. Not a largemouth, but we got a fish on the frog. Oh my God, did you guys hear that? Yes. Yes. Holy crap. That was a freaking strike. Yes. Woo! Look at that. Decent fish. He's not huge, but do you guys hear that freaking strike? Oh my goodness. Golly. Whew. Good fish. Let's put him back. There he goes. Oh, that was awesome. So I was throwing over here earlier and I wasn't getting anything, and I turn and look over in this direction and there's a lot of shade right here, and I thought, shade might be the way to go. So I sure enough threw in the shade, and that bass just slammed this little frog. It was freaking awesome. You would have thought he was like 4 pounds by the way it hit, but man, good fish. Let's see if there's another one over there. Oh my God. Did you guys see that? 2 of them hit. 2 fish hit, one right after the other. Let's see if we can get one of them. Yes! Oh, there's one. Oh, yes. Oh God. Yes. Hey, there we go. Hey, that's not a bad fish. Woo! That's a decent bass. Look at that. Decent bass. Ooh, just one hook in him. Look at that. Finally, that's the one that hit earlier too. I know it is. He was just waiting for the right moment to strike. And strike he did. Oh, he is thick. He is a thick boy. Yes. Good fish. Ooh, he is fired up. Let's take a quick picture with him and then put him back. Oh, that was awesome. Yes. Oh, yes. Oh, we got a rock bass. Oh no, we got a big bluegill. Awesome, look at that. Big old bluegill on the popper bait. Let's go. Yes, look at the colors on this guy. He's gorgeous. Can you guys see that? See these colors? Wow. Well, this is the most gorgeous bluegill I've ever seen. and he is perfect to end this video. So let's get him unhooked, and then I don't even know if I can lip this guy. This beauty of a sunfish. He is freaking gorgeous. All right, let's put him back. All right, guys, that is gonna do it for me today. Not a bad day out. Thought it was gonna be a lot better, but you know, that's how it goes. What really worked for me today was this little guy right here, a popper. Very cool color on it. It's got those cool red stripes on it. Has a rattle, as you can hear. So the fish were really honing in on that, and we got a couple good ones. We got a smallmouth, that was pretty cool, and got that big jumbo bluegill. That was pretty awesome. So I haven't caught a bluegill in a while, so that was pretty cool. But all in all, it was a pretty chill morning. Fishing has been getting really tough, so especially on public waters. You know, this is a public river. Everybody can come here and fish, so it's getting really competitive. You really got to get out here early, get the good spots, catch the good fish, and beat the boat traffic. But we got to do what we got to do. So anyways, that is going to be it for me, you guys. Thanks as always for tuning in. Thanks to everybody that's subscribing, liking the videos. Really means a lot to me. And I will see all of you real soon on the next fishing adventure. So let's get out of here. What a little savage.